Inner peace is the state of being in which one experiences a profound sense of harmony, contentment, and joy that arises from a deep connection to the divine. It is a state of consciousness that transcends the ups and downs of daily life and allows one to remain centered in the midst of chaos. To achieve inner peace, one must cultivate a daily practice of meditation and mindfulness. By turning inward and focusing on the breath, one can quiet the mind and connect with the infinite source of peace that lies within. Begin to still your restless mind and take a deep breath. Allow your breath to connect with the currents of the universe. Allow your focus on the present moment to drift away and your breath to flow. Now deepen your awareness to the divine presence within you. Embrace the compassion, love, and joy that permeates through your body. This is where the well of inner peace resides. This is a place you are always welcome, a place that is always by your side. Allow this sense of peace to fill your entire body and to become your why. Remember that this feeling cannot be taken from you. Your inner peace is with you no matter what the day may bring. Let it be so. Now move your thoughts from this peace back to your breath, back to the present. Open your eyes and begin to take in your surroundings. Take this moment to notice how you feel. Now carry this sense of calm and centeredness with you as you continue your day. And remember, you do not have to look far to find your inner peace.